Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up and use Face ID on your iPhone. Working with Face ID is generally smooth and simple as long as you know the right steps. But if you bump into problems, we have some solutions. Here's how to set up and use Face ID. Apple will prompt you to activate Face ID when you initially set up your iPhone, but you can set up later under Settings and Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and tap Setup Face ID. At the initial setup screen, tap the Get Started button. Place your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle as if you were stretching your neck. After the first scan is complete, the next option varies based on your phone and iOS version. Normally, Face ID requires a full facial scan. So, if you're wearing a mask and need to unlock your phone or buy something using Apple Pay, Face ID won't work. You would instead need to use a passcode for authentication. However, with the release of iOS 15.4, Apple introduced an option to use Face ID while wearing a mask. This method scans the unique features around your eyes to authenticate you, but it is less secure than full facial scanning. If Face ID is already set up and you want to use it with a mask, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and turn on the switch for Face ID with a mask. At the Face ID with a mask screen, tap Use Face ID with a mask. Make sure you're not wearing mask, then tap the Get Started button and scan your face again. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.